Alright, boys and girls, got a new lock today from Israel. It was on eBay as a safe lock. It's got 3 bolts, big bolts, and a special key. I'm gonna open it quick. These are great. I should have There's the lock. Right here. Look at those bitches keys. Huh? Unbelievable. Okay, it's got an extra word right there. You can see a notch. Okay, I'm gonna try put that between the legs there. See if we can get this to. Oh, look at that. 1, 2. 1, 2. I thought it was 3, but turn it twice. Oh, there we go. We got a name on it. It's Yardeni. Yardeni. With a picture of a horseshoe up at the top, upside down. That's why it's bad luck. Pretty cheap lock. I'm gonna take it apart and look at it. I thought it was gonna be nicer than this. Got the plates. Come with everything that was supposed to, I guess. I didn't figure out all this, but I'm happy. Now I gotta figure out how to open the thing. Alright, boys and girls, if anybody can tell me what I need to open this, what kind of lockpick. I've got some sort of lockpick downstairs that's for these. I don't know if it'll work. Hopefully it will. I don't know what it's for. I think it's curtain lock. Okay, see you later.